Hello again. Towels are usually sewn with a chain stitch, and unfortunately chain stitch, while it's really efficient for things that you're just gonna sew and 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 sew, because you don't have to change bobbin. But chain stitching comes undone really easily. Thus, we gotta fix this before it gets worse. I actually rather like my towels, so I'm using matching thread for this. Because the fabric has frayed pretty badly. I can't really turn over a fuzzy edge that's not actually fabric, it's just sort of threads hanging there. Recall in a previous video that I repaired my husband's pants on the back of them. Well, I have to do the same thing on the front of them. Cargo pants are incredibly useful, and yet they're so difficult to find. And they're kind of hard to find, like, in general, but we kind of wear particularly small, I guess. Don't tell my husband I call him small. He's big where it counts. But he's not overall a large body, so. I don't know if you've ever tried to find like 28-32 pants for a guy, especially cargo pants. Yeah, they're hard to find. Like, we look at the thrift stores and like, do people just go from like a kid size 12 to like an adult 34? Like, where are all the pants in between? This here is known as a free arm, and it's super handy if you ever have to put the machine inside of a garment. So I am intentionally spreading this out a little bit, and the point of that is because working in a factory, like, we crawl around on our knees a lot. So bending and squatting and all that, like, it's just easier if there's a little extra room in the knees. In fact, some like uniform and tactical pants you'll see have a little pleat in the knee to make it easier to do that. Sometimes it really truly is easier to sew backwards, like when you're working on a pant leg. As I think I have mentioned a few times, or at least once, there's no way to make this look new again, so we hang a lantern on it and kind of make it decorative. This is the final fixing I'm going to do today. This one I'm going to hand sew because it's small, and in order to do this on the machine, I'd have to take out a lot of stitching, and I just don't want to do that. So as you can see, this and this are supposed to line up. So I'll take a stitch on this side, and then take a stitch on this side, take a stitch on this side, that side, this side, and that side. And as I'm pulling it, this is getting buttered up right next to each other, as it's supposed to be. And I'm going to thread it back to towards the seam of the cuff in order to tie a knot, so I don't have a knot right at the edge. Hey Michael, feel like modeling your pants on camera?
No.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes. Yeah, dry your hands on that.
Fabulous.
Absolutely fabulous.
There's a towel that needs some work too.
I just fixed that.